guys. I should change that. What's up, guys? I don't like that. I'm gonna change it for the next video. Don't worry. So I'm back again. I need to change that as well. What's up, guys? I'm back again. No. I'm gonna change it. Don't worry, guys. So I'm back again. Yes, I will use that with one of my favorite shirts from my collection. One reason is because it's a black shirt. You can't go wrong with a black shirt. One thing I don't like is that how many football clubs are actually making black shirts now. It's getting a bit annoying because once you have one, you got them all. But Dortmund, I think Dortmund have black shirts, black tracksuits with the yellow. It just looks amazing. I love it. And so yeah, this one I really like. Don't cuss me in the comments for this being creased because I fought with this shirt. I put this shirt in a headlock and I was trying so hard to, have it all straight and it wasn't working. So let's just be happy with what we have in front of us. So I really like the little details. So the stripes, there's different stripes there. The logo's in a kind of silver color, then it's got the silver patches on the shoulders. I actually haven't got a shirt with those type of patches on the shoulders. Plus it does have the Opel logo as well in silver. Yeah, I really like this shirt because obviously it's a Dortmund shirt. We love a good Dortmund shirt. It goes well with a lot of things. I personally would wear this with either grey jeans or black jeans. Yes, I've said that 100 times before. And or black tracksuit bottoms and just some white Air Forces, just to keep it nice and simple. Really, I don't really want to do too much. I think the shirt should be the thing that sticks out the most. I might start wearing this shirt 5-a-side, 6-a-side when I play again, but I really do like this shirt. And I do actually have the newer season one, which I'll be doing a video, which is this season, so current seasons. I'll be doing another video on that. So another football shirt Friday episode. Probably next week actually. It will be a good idea to do that. And I can even do a comparison video. Actually, nah, no one cares about comparison video. You can tell the difference. But yeah, I'll try my best to do a nice good zoom close up, show the details type of video for this as well after. And I hope you guys enjoyed. If you didn't enjoy, I have no words for you. It's okay, I'm not going to watch this myself, so I don't know if I'm going to enjoy it either. But take care, guys.